Hello, everyone, and welcome to the Trade Ideas Live Trading Room Recap for Thursday, December the 26th. My name is Barry Anderson, moderator of your trading room. If you have any questions for me, you can use this email address right here. This is a link to get into our free room, 100% free. You do not have to be a member of Trade Ideas to be in our free room. The room is open between 9 and 3 Eastern Time, and I share my screen and I'm live on the mic between those two times. And also in the email you're getting, you'll still have a promo code for 25% off. That promo will be good until 11:59 tonight Eastern Time, all right? So make sure you know the time zone, the time zone you're in. And again, with all of our promo codes, the 25% off, if you do take out, say, a standard subscription and you want to upgrade to a premium, or you take out a monthly subscription and you want to upgrade to an annual, you can do so, and we'll honor that 25% as long as you do it within 30 days. All right, well, slow trading day for me today. Of course, the day after the holiday. We had a lot of activity, especially these small bios, a lot of activity. But the only one, I only took a couple of trades today, and this, of course, this was the star. Typically, I do not short stocks under $5 or even $10, but this was just too juicy. This SBPH, and there was news. That's one of the reasons why I also took a hard look at it. I mean, there was the alert at 190. It's at 142 right now. I'm not in it anymore, but that's, a 25% drop. So just a tremendous percentage move. I was actually in at 188, and I think I covered most at around 155. And the reason I did that is because it did have news this morning, and obviously bad news. Phase 2B, it's one of the little bios. Phase 2B and a failure on their drug. So, actually, I think it was warnings. I think they have a liver drug, and there are some warnings about the drug. So almost even worse than a failure, almost, because where do they go from here? But anyway, that is one that I did take. I also took Space. This came on my watch list as a short, and I got chopped out of it. I took it in the simulator. I got chopped out of it right there. But then I decided to reshort it in my real account right about there. It looked like it was ready to continue down, and yeah, it certainly did. I took some off as it moved back up here, but I'm all out of it now. But not a bad move. And it was 1088, and it got down to 1059 or so. So there was that one. But truly, a lot of stocks were just kind of chopping around today for me, the ones that I was following. So not a lot of stocks other than the SBPH that I saw, again, with the ones that I'm following, that had a straight down move, a little bit of a rest, and then a continuation down. So those are obviously the patterns that you like, as opposed to seeing something that would move down and then have a big spike up, which is going to knock a lot of people out, and then moving down. There was a little bit of a move up, but not terribly dramatic, and then a pause, and then something like this. The A-Core, which I mentioned, was another AI alert, and I was saying to people that, if you missed the first one, because there it was, 231, and it got all the way up to 262, then it had the pullback, that you could always maybe get back in up in this level here. And, look what it's done since that 240 level. It almost took out the high, not quite. But again, fairly choppy action. But, it's something like this, a pattern allowed you to get back into the trade if you missed it the first time. So, these are obviously the two stars right now, 25% and 10%. And the B cell, I looked at the B cell, but the spread was pretty tough. So I don't know what it is right now, but the spread was pretty tough to really commit to it. But anyway, those are some of the nice percentage moves from the AI and also my watch list this morning. And see what happens tomorrow. I expect another kind of a quiet day, especially after the first hour. All this action on most days. Most of the action's the first hour anyway. But when you get holiday weeks, I think that after the first hour, things can really start to dry up. So tomorrow we'll have to see what happens. And of course, next week we have to deal with New Year's. But anyway, I'm going to get back into the room and bring back the capture program, and just, again, to remind you that in the email you're getting, you will see the promo code for 25% off. It will expire tonight at 11:59 p.m. Eastern Time. So hope everybody has a great evening, and we'll see you in the trading room tomorrow. Bye-bye.